Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me and my videos. I'm a cousin, and it's my first time doing this.
Take mine.
I don't count that second time. This is no, I just delete that one video out audio. It sounds so funny. I talk to the audience like it looks like I'm an awkward guy with no audio, no music audio. That video, forget it. No. It's like 10 minutes and then now I'm done with crap. You forgot no talks animal challenge. But I make it harder a bit. You can talk to some animals you don't like. Ha ha ha.
But I hate it. I know.
Yeah. You can talk to him. But none of the other animals.
Aber ich hate it.
I keep being smacker. You talk to her.
Hey, I didn't talk to her.
Challenge completed was. What the fuck?
I had a fun. It's fun.
No,
And how to have fun, but I didn't pet her. Hush, mine island.
I do no talking challenge. It's so much fun.
Yeah, we hate you.
Yeah.
Du der verboten Daphne. Du hate einen Partner, du hate her. We hate her. You hate her.
Anyway, so you just talking at me not for no reason.
Aber mein Freund ist Kinder. My Freunde.
Yeah, you're not allowed to talk to anybody.
I hate it.
Hey, the crocodile, you just broke the rules.
Du sagst es.
Yeah, I know I say that. I can check my recording, I want to. Ooh, magic's editing. Ooh, I can just type stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Like, this man talking, no challenges.
Alle mit Top Hörner. Alle hate her.
You. This don't count. In telephones. You don't hear nothing. I heard just like music. Ba 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 ba. Yeah, but you forgot about it. Put bushes around your island, like
We hebben niks pushes.
you cannot buy it in Nooks.
Nein.
Yeah, sure.
Nein. Eine Busch van een taal en een bushel stoven.
Like
En
it,
dan,
you can upgrade your island like a 3-star island.
we hebben niks pushes.
I know you got no bushes. You just said that. I mean, like you want to have a 5-star like island. You must put a bunch of bushes around your island.
Zijn in totaal en we hebben niks pushes.
I know you got no bushes. Just show it at me.
Zo, nou, dit is sausje.
Yeah. So you update today. Hey, you update. For reason there's a Mario element coming in like an Animal Crossing.
Rest in peace, stepmother.
Like, there's a new like Mario coming out in Animal Crossing,
Mario, let's get out there.
like a Mario element coming soon. in Animal Crossing, like Mario Blaze blocks and all that crap. Mario suits, I think. I don't know really.
I don't Mario games. I have a Wii, got Super, I have a Forza.
Make the half of it already, like.
I have a half of shit. Yeah. The Wii is good and the Wii is thin.
You know, I mean, fish and trousers.
Yeah, we don't like the sausage. The sausage. Mamma mia.
Easier. Talk to him.
Okay, alright.
I know, but I like the difficult challenges. You talk to one guy. He's just like a boring thing. It's not a boring thing. You must work. You must break the rules. How long do you take that? I'm breaking. Then I dare you to.
Take my heart, cinema. Take my heart.
No, wait, you not see my code then?
Cousin!
Tips, getting it not to press home.
That's not me.
Top of the morning, look at this. Imagine like TikTok guy just pop up to the screen like saying, top of the morning, ladies, it's me, TikTok the guy, and like freaking scream on your face. Like, just like,
My forward comes in for the long term.
I don't see that. Maybe in editing, yeah. What the hell is that? You update?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm a YouTuber. I got the secret update already. Like, woo, secret update. Look at that. Is this number here? You see that number? You can type it in your dreams. Go no, press no. And just give you a tutorial how you do it. You just press up there. No one. I know your code is fake. Not this. Not upload your thing again. Don't upload your thing again. You crash your thing. Yes. No. And then press up there. I want to show you my fans how you do it. Yes. That's yeah. And then you see it like if they load your thing. A couple of minutes waiting, and then type in the code, and you can type my code in this stream and visit my island. I'm happy about it. I'll make the comment say, oh my god, I visit your island. It's not my real friends list code. I don't show you that. Ooh, no. My sister killed me. My friend code. Yeah, no, I see that, and it's in
And it was the Titan, my hand flesh.
like somebody visit my dream island.
Mine toe.
Wait, there's a code. You see that? I maybe type it in to you guys. So that here's my friend code. You want to add my sister in your account. I just make it like more clearer. 156.5.1. I played much longer Fortnite than you pay. Stop. You just like play more and more.
My fatties.
Like, it's like This is tedious what you did. Like, so much effort to doing one island.
Ah, thank you.
Like, look at the island. Like, there's Halloween, there's pumpkins already out. It's like,
Hey, coming Halloween. I'm coming.
March, I think, in December. I don't know when does Halloween come in. I don't care about it too much. March 2021 is like Mario weekend. There's actually a golden flower actually in the game.
Ja, bewijs.
You must collect every flower in the whole goddamn game.
We hebben alles. Niet alles hebben we.
Every flower.
Yeah.
You get a goddamn tedious one golden flower.
We hebben allemaal. We allemaal favorite animals hadden.
Like, imagine you just collect all that. There's no reason.
We are nothing so I'm just 60. Oh, that's it now. What is? That's what you get now.
This is like eel thing.
You get packets now.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Electric eel, I said that.
You get packets now. Well, I even hate it. I'm not small now. Right.
I mean, you must give it that to Orwell, you never discovered it.
Ja, nu betrokken ik nee, dat is even een oude.
Yeah, I know, maybe like the owl got the answer is a rare thing.
Ik weet het niet. Dit is een challenge.
I know, I mean, yeah, I mean, see you break the rules.
Weird to pay for the meat for real. Oh, no, you should absolutely pay.
Like,
Don't you ever pay? Don't you dare.
no, 10 minutes is running out.
Man, it's begin to pay.
Yeah, Japanese sandwich, you just bought it like 5 minutes ago.
Ja, dat valt in maar een te typen met anime. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
We like it. One
Talks that hour. So long as I'm recording, you're not allowed to. Then like,
Hey, that's a thing. I'm on an island, huh?
yeah, you know, it was like my code and my friend code I added in and he would add, what the fuck is that abomination spell?
My island is comic!
It looks like a stupid abomination. You just,
Abomination!
what is that abomination? This is not an abomination you just draw like 5 minutes ago.
No! Abomination! That's a fatty abomination!
Jesus Christ. Like, this is the most abomination flag in the world.
Man, abomination there! It's fucking daughter!
Like, this is the most abomination flag I've seen ever. Talks that owl.
No, no.
Eh?
No, no. Me.
Eh?
Me, also lost and needed peasants now.
Tigers.
Oh. The name. My name. But
Mm. I'll bet like just run any video soon. Go up there in the music room. You got like 2 chances to talk to animals and you're not taking it. Yeah, you got 2 chances. Remember, you can remember you're discussing.
Oh yeah, Nina hated feather.
I mean, you must just my friend.
Aber du told me not to be.
And you got 2 chances, George.
Mein Mitbewerber.
No. I'm back and I broke some rules. Sorry, I cannot chance it anymore. Screw this rule. I broke already that rule for the like some already. You know me anyways. I break every rule. So excuse me, just like broke all the rules. Sorry. I don't give a shit anymore. It's my video. I can do what I want. I can just edit it all that out if I want to. I'll be telling my coaching. End of the video soon. Leave a like, leave a subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Hopefully I get a bonus one day. Stop the recording now.